Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is ear wax remover air cleaner with integrated double tank. I am purchasing this one from Amazon. Link is available on video description. So we will do unboxing, which types of product I am receiving and what exactly look like, even how to use this product. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So inside the box we are receiving two types of product. First one is ear cleaner with camera. This is the tiny device. Inside this device internal camera is available. You just put it in your ear and check how much dirt in your ear. So we will see how to use it. Look at this here, ear wax remover kit with the camera. So this is the camera. Now we can see how to use exactly here. 4 steps is available. This is our product. We can do unboxing first of all here. Now box is empty. So here some of the cotton sticks clean your ear. Here is the charging cable D and C. This is the magic booklet. Very simplest way how to use quick and easy activation of your mode. You just simply scan it, register and enjoy. And second thing here is a smart electric ear cleaner kit. Here how to use, all the information is here. So inside the box what exactly we are receiving. Inside the packet they are providing small ear filter. So and this is our product, main product. C-type charging cable you should connect here and charge very easily. Apart from that you should open this one and put it the water as well. It's very easy in this portion going to in your ear. And how to start, just simply press here the normal, strong, plus and soft. So if you press here, so now is normal, now is a strong, now is plus and the soft. So we go with here soft and normal only, not a strong first time. Next thing we just simply open this one. The product link is available on video description. This kit is very important. How to use, all the information is here. Activate your lifetime warranty now. Here we receive the magic booklet. Magic booklet is very smart. The application is also available. You should download the application on your mobile phone, and after that very easily charge this device using C-type charging cable. Here is the charging port here like this, and this portion going to your ear. So and how to use, this is the on. Look at this. Now I will show you. First of all we download the application. So first of all I just simply download this application on my phone. So this application I just click here. After download the application you need to connect the Wi-Fi. So I just simply on this device, and look at this here, this device is coming here. So we just simply tab here, it's connected, the Wi-Fi connected from this application. And afterwards now we just simply allow, and look at this here, this is the my ear. If you see here, so my ear is very clean. So you can download this application and accordingly you can use this one very easy. Now we can see how to use this device. Now I just simply open this one. I just simply put it here, the water. So look at this here, here the showing clean, and to put it this one, first one like this one, if you put it this straw here, so water is here, water coming here and come back again. This is the empty one. So I just simply fix. So look at this here, I just simply start this one to release the water. Accordingly this circle, so if I press here, this is the soft, and again I press here, look at this, So such kind of water is coming and enter your ear. Second thing, if you click here normal, again press, so water coming like this. If you press strong, so water coming like this, and if you use pulse, so water is coming like. So you should use the water like a little warm water to use your ear. So now is my turn to clean. Let's see how exactly I am feeling. So we just use first of all the soft one, and this. Then I use normal one and press. Oh, the strong one is very nice and very easy. Look at this here. I am very easy to use like this without irritating or without facing anything in your ear. So this is the one of the best product. If you have lot of problem in your ear, you should purchase this one. Price and link is available on video description. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.